once we will go through with your homework. So page number 18 in workbook. Page number 18 in workbook. Once check your homework. So I hope everybody finished homework. Here count and write the number of objects with their number names. Here you have to count the number of objects. How many objects are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 objects are there. So what is its number name? EIGHTEEN. 18. Next, how many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 mangoes are there. So, what is 20 spelling? TWENTY, 20. How many watches are there? 12 watches are there. So, what is 12 spelling? TWELVE, 12. Next, how many burgers? These are burgers. How many burgers are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 are there. So it is nothing but 17. SEVENTEEN, 17. How many toys are there here? Toy planes. 15 are there. So what is 15 spelling? FIFTEEN, 15. So everybody finished? Once check your answers, Nana. Okay, children? Now today we are going to learn forward and backward counting from 10 to 50. Sorry, 1 to 50. So forward counting and backward counting from 1 to 50. Can you read the numbers from 1 to 50? 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Next, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Next, 31, 32, 33, yes, 34. After that, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So we are completed from 1 to 50 in order. Understood? So it is nothing but counting in order. So we are counted from 1 to 50. 1 to 50. In order or not there in order? It is in order. So this is called counting in order. Can you repeat the same numbers from last onwards? Can you repeat the same numbers from last? So what is the last number? 50. After that, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 34, 33, 32, 31. After that 29, 28. What is next? Yes, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Next 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this is in order. So it is called counting in order. And here from last to first, from 50 to 1. So this is known as backward counting. Understood? This is known as backward counting. Why it is backward counting? Because from last to first, back before numbers we don't know. So 50. What is the before number of 50? 49. So from back onwards we are started. Understood? From back onwards, from last number onwards we are started. So this counting is known as backward counting, and here we are counted in order. So this is known as counting in order. Okay children? Now open page number 28 in your textbook. Practice zone 3. Practice zone 3. Open textbook. Here table is given. Fill in the missing numbers between 1 and 50. So complete this table and all of you. 1 to 50 numbers. So missing numbers you have to write. So write missing numbers. 23. After that 24. After 24 is 25. After 25 is 26. 26, 27. Next 28, 29 and 30. Next 31, 32, 33. After that 34 is given. 34 after 35. Next 36. After that 37, 38, 39, 40. Next 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 45. Next 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50. So this is counting in order. Now can you read counting backward? Backward counting. So 50, 49. Read along with me. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. This is backward counting. Now next open practice zone 4. This is page number 30 in content book. Textbook. In textbook, page number 30 in textbook. So count backwards and fill in the missing numbers. Same here, you have to count backward and fill the missing numbers. Okay children, start. Do your work. Practice zone 4. Practice zone 4. So 30, 29, 26 is given. And next 3 numbers. So 30, 29. In backward counting, what is the next number? 28. 28. After 28 is 27. 27, 26 is given. 26, after that 25. Next 24. Next 23. Very good. 48, 47, So 47, before 47 is 46, before 46 is 45. Next, very good, 44. Next, 43, 42 and 41. Is it right? Okay. Next, 10. Next 7 numbers. In backward counting, next 7 numbers: 10, 9, 8, 7. Next 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, children. Next 14. 14. In backward counting, 14, 13. Count from 14 onwards. 14, 13, 12. Next 11. 10, 9. Very good. Say what are the next two numbers? 8 and 7. Okay. 27. 27 it is. So in backward counting, 27. Yes, 26. 26. 25. Next, 24. 24. After that, 24, 23. Next, 22, 21 and 20. Okay, children, understood? Next, last one is 40. Last one is 40. 40. In backward counting, 40, 39. Next, 38. Next, 37. Next, yes, very good, 36. What is next? 35. 34 and 33. Okay, children, complete in your textbook. Write neatly in textbook. Okay. Now take out your worksheets. Open your workbook. See here, page number 16. Page number 16. Recall the counting order and write the missing numbers. Counting order. That means forward counting. So we have to count in order. So 14. After 14 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, like that. So count in order and complete this third bit. So count fast, write fast. Workbook, page number 16. Page number 16 in workbook. Count in order. So 14, after 14 is, we have to count in order, that means forward. 14, after 14 is 15. 15 is 16. Next, 17. Next, 18. And here, 19, 20, 21. Next, 22. 22, 26, 30, and missing numbers. Fill the missing numbers. 26. In counting order, 26. After 26 is 27. After 27 is 28. After 28 is 29. Next 30. After 30 is 31, 32, 33 and 34. Okay. Next 33, 37, 33. After 33 is 34. After 34 is 5. Next 36, 37, 38. After 38 is 39. 39, 40, 41. Okay. And the last question is 41, 45. Next 4 numbers we have to fill. Now 41. After 41 is 42. After 42 is 43. 43. Next 44. 45. After that 46. Next 47. 48. 49. Okay. Completed, Nana? Next, page number 17. Page number 17. Here help Froggy to jump down steps by writing the numbers. Here number names are given. 40. It is on 40. So you have to write the number here. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. Beside 31 you have to write 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Write the numbers from 31 to 40 here. And next in page number 16 write the numbers by counting backwards. So backward counting 15, 14, 13, 10, 9. So like that you have to fill this counting backward. Okay children. So in page number 16 homework is page number 16 fourth bit and next in page number 17 fifth bit in worksheet. Page number 16 fourth bit and page number 17 fifth bit. So these two bits are homework. Okay Nana? Yes. Okay? This 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. In backward, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, in today's class we learned forward counting in order and backward counting. So, both we learned, and yours homework is page number 16 fourth bit backward counting and page number 17 fifth bit you have to write the number.